Here's how you can simply download Pinterest videos onto your gallery. As you can see, I'm on the Pinterest website, but if you're using the app, this method will still work. So first up, search for any video you'd like. Once you do that, select the video. As you can see, I searched for beach videos and I'm going to select this one right over here. So as you can see, Pinterest doesn't give us an additional link or option to download the video onto our gallery. So the simplest way we can download this video onto our gallery is by simply getting the link of this video by clicking on the share option. And then what you have to do now is that you want to get the link of this video. You want to select the copy link option. So once you have copied the link, you want to go to a website called Pinterest Video Downloader. So search it up. Pinterest Video Downloader. So search it up. Once you do that, it should be the first website you see. So click on it. And then what you want to do now is that you want to long click or long press into this box, and it's going to give you this paste or this box right over here. Click on the paste option and then click on the download button. It's going to start searching, so wait for it to search. Once it's done searching, it has found the video. So what you can do is to select the force download video option. And as you can see, the video has started downloading. It has downloaded, and if I open it, you can see this is the video we got from Pinterest, and it has been saved over to my gallery. So that's how you can simply download Pinterest videos onto your gallery. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.